Hello, I'm Evan with Wooninjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about WordPress schema markup. Schema markup is a small piece of code that helps search engines understand your content. Schema markup is structured data that provides explicit information about your page to search engines. Once it's added, your results may appear with details like ratings, product info, FAQs, or event dates if Google chooses to display them. Adding schema markup helps search engines understand your content better and can improve click-through rates by enabling rich results. It can also help provide structured information that contributes to Google's knowledge graph, enabling better connections on social media. Simply put, schema helps Google trust and feature your content. There are many schema types, but the most common ones for WordPress sites include article for blog content, product and review for e-commerce, local business for physical stores, FAQ for help pages, event for upcoming webinars or classes. Now, let's explore 3 quick and effective ways to add schema markup to your WordPress site. Method 1. Use a plugin. If you want the easiest setup, install and activate the Schema Pro plugin. Next, navigate to Settings, Schema Pro, and then click on Add New. Over here, select the schema type. For this tutorial, we will go with Course. Now select the pages or posts that you want to apply this markup to. You can add display rules and also exclude pages and posts you want to exempt this schema from. You can then complete the setup. From here, you will be taken to fill in the required properties of the schema. In Schema Settings, you will see various fields related to the review schema. These fields help you enter details about your reviews. If you wish to alter these values for a particular page top post, you can see all review schema fields at the bottom of the page. Once you're done, click on Update. You can also use SEO plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math. Yoast SEO is the #1 WordPress SEO plugin. Rank Math SEO is the first SEO plugin to use AI. Both support structured data for posts, products, and FAQs. Method 2, use a Schema-ready theme. Some WordPress themes come with schema built in. For example, the Schema, a free theme, and Schema Premium both automatically add structured data to your site. If you're unsure whether your theme supports it, check the documentation or contact the developer. To enable schema in a theme, go to Appearance, Customize, navigate to General Settings, open SEO or Structured Data Settings, and toggle schema options. Then click on Publish. Method 3, add schema manually. For advanced users who want full control, you can manually add schema code. Use Google's Structured Data Markup helper to generate your schema. Select the type, for example, article or organization, enter your page URL, and tag your elements. You'll then be taken to your blog editor. You can start tagging data by highlighting text or image. Once highlighted, you can click on Create HTML to view its HTML structured data as JSON-LD markup. Once generated, copy the JSON-LD code and paste it into your website's header.php file right before the closing head tag. Once you're done, scroll down to the bottom and click on Update File. Alternatively, you can use a Code Snippets or Insert Headers and Footers plugin to safely add your schema code without directly editing theme files. Testing your schema markup. After adding the schema, it might take a little while before it shows up on Google, but if you want to check it instantly, just head over to Google's Rich Results Test or the Schema Markup Validator tool. Then paste your page link and click on Run Test. You'll see right away if everything's working fine, and you can fix any warnings or errors before going live. Once everything passes, your structured data will help Google display richer, more informative results, making your pages eligible for rich results and improving visibility in search. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.